Amazing. On to the weather details now in tonight's photograph. It shows the city at night and comes from Mari Bury of Lobethal. In Adelaide today, the temperature reached 18.2 degrees just before 3 o'clock this afternoon. The low of 11.5 came at about 6:15 this morning. The highest rainfall in 24 hours to 9 o'clock this morning was 5.6 millimetres at Cummins on the Lower Eyre Peninsula. Today, the wettest place was Nullarbor on the far west coast. It had 5 millimetres. It was fine across most of the state's north today, although there were some showers in Ceduna. 23 degrees was the top temperature in Lee Creek, 19 in Port Pirie. There was a little rain in Murray Bridge, but it was also a generally fine day across the south. 16 was the top in several centres, including Kingscote and Port Lincoln, 15 in Narracourt and Mount Gambier. Interstate today, it was mostly sunny and 22 degrees in Brisbane, 15 in Canberra and Perth. Melbourne had a cloudy day and a top of 18, and the temperature reached 25 degrees in Alice Springs, 16 in Hobart. The satellite picture shows cloud over the east of the continent. That's causing scattered showers, and clouds streaming from Western Australia into South Australia ahead of a cold front is generating areas of rain. These will extend throughout South Australia tomorrow, with possible early morning thunderstorms near southern and western coasts. A new high developing over the Bight on Saturday should see showers contract to the southern agricultural area and the west coast. Taking a look interstate tomorrow, a shower or two is expected in Townsville, Brisbane and Sydney, and rain is forecast in Canberra, Melbourne and Hobart. But it should be mostly sunny and 33 degrees in Darwin. Perth's heading for a top of 16 after an overnight low of 1 degree, and 24 is the forecast top in Alice Springs. Back to South Australia, and rain and showers are forecast right across the north of the state tomorrow. It should reach 16 degrees in Woomera and Port Augusta, 15 in Port Pirie, Woodner and Whyalla. A wet day is also expected across the south. Maxima should range from 12 degrees in Clare to 15 in a number of centres, including Maitland and Victor Harbour, 13 degrees in Nuriutpa. A strong wind warning has been issued for the south central and southeast coasts. In Adelaide tomorrow, rain easing to a shower or two by late morning. 15 degrees is the expected top, down to 11 overnight. The sun will rise at about 25 past 7 with sunset at about 10 past 5. Seas to 1.5 metres with southwesterly winds reaching 15 to 20 knots around sunrise, then easing by early afternoon. Looking further ahead, another wet day on Saturday, fine on Sunday and 15 degrees, then a late shower on Monday. Before we go, recapping tonight's main story. Julia Gillard has become Australia's 27th Prime Minister and the country's first female leader. She was elected unopposed by the Labor Party caucus after Kevin Rudd decided not to contest this morning's leadership ballot. Wayne Swan is the new Deputy Prime Minister. And that's the latest news this Thursday, but stay with ABC One for a special edition of the 7:30 report. Kerry O'Brien is in Canberra, where he'll be speaking with the new Prime Minister, Julia Gillard. Good evening.
The Governor-General.
I'm a Julia, not me, because I'm still the Prime.
I offer you my very warmest congratulations.
The Prime Minister.
Thank you very much.
Should have been allowed to face the judgment. The only thing that has been found so far is her way to the lodge.
How can you be so out of touch